Book of Heaven, Volume 11, March 6, 1915. Jesus suspends the state of victim of Luisa in part so as to give course to justice. As I was in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus came for a little while. Since my confessor was not well, and therefore my state had been interrupted, that is, it was not like before, when I would come round when called by obedience, I said to Jesus, "What do you want me to do? Should I stay, or should I try to come round when I feel free?" And Jesus,
"My daughter, do you perhaps want me to operate as before, when I not only commanded you to remain in this state, but I also bound you in such a way that you could not come round, if not through obedience? If I did this now, my love would feel constrained and my justice would find an obstacle in pouring itself out fully upon creatures. And you might say to me, just as you keep me bound as victim of sufferings for love of you and for the creatures, so do I bind you in order to stop your justice from pouring itself out upon creatures. So the wars and the preparations that other nations are making to go to war would all go up in smoke. I cannot. At the most, if you want to remain in this state, or if the confessor wants to keep you in it, I will have some regard for Piccarreta, and I will spare something. But meanwhile, things are getting tighter, and my justice does not want you in this state at all, so as to be able to send immediately more scourges, make other nations go to war, and lower the pride of creatures, as they will find defeats where they believe to find victories. Alas, my love cries, but my justice demands satisfaction. My daughter, patience."
And he disappeared. But who can say how I was left? I felt I was dying, because I thought that had I gone out of that state by myself, I myself might be the cause for an increase in the scourges, and therefore for the entrance of other nations into the war, especially of Italy. What pain, what heartbreak! I felt all the weight of this suspension from Jesus, and I thought to myself, who knows whether Jesus is not permitting the confessor to be well so as to give the final blow and make Italy enter the war? How many suspicions and fears! And as I came out of that state by myself, I spent a day of tears and of intense bitterness.